Hello everyone. Today our group will talk about tokenization in Vietnam's business logistics, a new trend that's helping the logistics industry become more digital, transparent, and efficient. So, what is exactly tokenization? Uh, First, tokenization means converting physical assets or logistic data, such as container, warehouse, receipt, or shipping documents, into digital tokens on a secure platform, and usually blockchain. Each token represents own seed or value, and it can be used to check, trade, or finance logistic operations without moving the actual goods. This concept is becoming important in Vietnam because while our logistics sector is growing rapidly thanks to exports and foreign investment, it still faces big challenges like paper-based procedure, procedures, slow custom clearance, and limited transparency between different stakeholders. Tokenization helps to solve the issues by making the entire process more digital, verifiable, and connected.
Now, let's look at how tokenization is being applied in Vietnam's logistics sector and what benefits it brings. First, tokenization can be used for digital bills of lading. Instead of physical papers, shipping documents become unique digital tokens, which are much harder to lose or fake. This helps speed up customs clearance and reduces fraud risk. Second, companies can use asset tokenization for financing. For example, a Vietnamese logistics or manufacturing SME can tokenize its goods or inventory and use them as collateral for short-term loans. This is especially helpful since many SMEs struggle to access traditional bank financing. Third, shipment tracking becomes easier. Each shipment can be represented by a token, allowing real-time monitoring through blockchain, improving transparency for both domestic and international trade. Finally, smart contracts can automate payments. For example, once goods arrive at a port and are verified, the system automatically triggers payment to the seller. Overall, tokenization offers many benefits, including faster trade, lower costs, better transparency, and stronger trust across supply chains.
Even though tokenization brings many advantages, there are still challenges in Vietnam. The biggest issue is regulation. Vietnam's legal framework for blockchain and digital tokens is still developing, so businesses are cautious about adopting it. Another challenge is low digital literacy, especially among small logistic firms that still rely on paper and manual processes. Also, there's a lack of standardized platforms to connect all stakeholders, and cybersecurity risks remain a concern as more systems go online. However, the future looks quite promising. The Vietnamese government is pushing for digital transformation in logistics as part of the National Digital Transformation Program up till 2030. Pilot projects using blockchain have started at major ports like Hải Phòng and Cát Lai, two of the most promising lands of logistics in the country. And finally, Vietnam is working with ASEAN partners to develop digital trade platforms. So, in the next few years, tokenization could make Vietnam's logistics system more efficient, transparent, and globally competitive. helping the country strengthen its position as a key manufacturing and export hub in Asia.